strength and wisdom. With heart and soul we do our best. We know for sure we'll